cheddar cheese stuffed cauliflower. I'm trimming the base of my cauliflower, make it a little bit flatter and more stable, but we're gonna keep the cauliflower whole. So we're gonna start with a little bit of boiling water, and we're gonna add some salt, and we're gonna basically blanch a whole cauliflower. And then we'll top it with cheese and breadcrumbs and roast it. And we'll let it cook for about 10 minutes until it starts to soften. So now it's time to make the breadcrumbs. So we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of butter, and to the butter, we're gonna add the breadcrumbs. And we're using panko breadcrumbs just because they get nice and crispy. 1/3 cup of the breadcrumbs. I'm gonna toast these babies up. And then we're gonna let these just get nice and golden brown. So while those guys get golden brown, we are gonna chop some basil that we're gonna add to this. The basil's chopped. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so the breadcrumbs are toasty, and they'll continue to get toasty in the oven when we roast the cauliflower. Kind of melt a little Parmesan cheese into the breadcrumbs. And this is about 1/4 cup. There we go. And we'll just kind of mix that in. And then I'm just gonna add the basil right in there. Okay, time to grab our cooled, blanched cauliflower. And so I just cut a log of cheddar cheese into these little squares, and we just stick them into all of the little holes that you can find in here. It'll sort of melt and ooze in and out of the cauliflower. All right, now that all the cheese is in there, we're gonna grab the breadcrumbs, and we'll just pour all the breadcrumbs right over the cauliflower. And now we're gonna pop this in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes until it all melts and you get a nice golden tan and all the cheese is oozing in and out of the cauliflower.